Yo, what's up, guys? Got a trade recap today. Uh, some, I would say some psych issues today. Um, really choppy day, and took a loss that was really not great. But I'll explain my thought process and explain what I was thinking. So let's get into it. So going into the morning, I was looking at this 4 hour gap and these two 1 hour gaps here. I was thinking like we would open and then hit, one of those to end up going higher, but we just end up ripping for like a long time. Here we open. How many points was this? Like 200 points. So there was another 4 hour gap above that I was looking at, but or wait, maybe it was an hourly. Yeah, this one here, this hourly gap. I was looking at it, but really it would have been a better target than a key level, because I think there was a 30-second here that I thought about taking off of this fair value gap, but really, like, after pushing so high, it's like, why are we gonna start changing directions just based off of a 30-second? Like, that doesn't make sense. And it's not like it's a new gap. Like, it's basically the same gap. It's just where it opened. So that was a good fade. Good psych there. And then so we're up here and we form a 15-minute gap, and we end up forming two. But I was looking at, this one. I wanted that one to get hit, and but we are chopping so much here. Like, look at the 1 minute. We're like doing nothing. That we end up forming a new 15-minute gap here that we end up hitting. And I end up taking a 5-minute inverse fair value gap. End up taking it off of this one. And I low-key don't like this trade. The issue was just discipline, because like it was so choppy that I was like just like bored out of my mind, and I opened Blake's stream, and like me personally, I was just waiting for this discounted one to get hit. But Blake was talking about this 5-minute, and I'm like, all right, maybe I will take it. It seems like a good trade. But if I had not have opened his stream, I would have just waited for this, and I would have avoided that loss. So that was kind of a bad one, but gotta learn from it, and we'll avoid that one in the future. But then the next thing, then we actually do end up hitting it, and having this inverse, but this is at 10:58. So I'm like, should I really be trading if my psych is not good and then we're like super late into the session? So I end up just fading this because I'm like, okay, I don't want to start a new eval and then be down 2 trades. That just doesn't sound like a good spot to be in. And so I fade this one. Looks like it would have been break even, although I don't know. Maybe not, because I don't know where I would have gone break even. Might have still been playing out. I mean, it would have hit 1-to-1, but I probably would have just had my take profit up here. And yeah. So I'll have to see whether this plays out, but honestly, happy that I just avoided it. Unless I had had my stop here, then actually that wouldn't have changed anything. But yeah, that's about it for today. Not a great day, but gonna journal this one and learn from it. So yeah, hope you guys had a good trading day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.